Hello guys, I'm back. So here I would like to show you the repair I'm doing for my turbo. So this is for Volkswagen Tiguan 2011. So this is the problem with the turbo, the wastage. See, this is worn out very much. First few minutes when you start the car, you can hear this rattling noise so bad. So the turbo is still good. It's just this wastegate is losing the boost, so that's why it's low boost and having P0299 trouble code. So this is what I did. Of course, you have to remove the turbo, which is really hard to remove from the car, so I won't be able to tell you the step-by-step procedure, but there are some videos in YouTube that you can search on how to remove this one. But right now I'm just focusing on the repair that I'm gonna do with this turbo. So look at the wear with that hole on that I don't know how you call this piece, and the bushing inside. It's really bad. So I bought this Mamba EA 888 Gen 2 for Golf GTR, Mach 6 for Audi, or for Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a flapper kit, consists of this wastegate, the bushing, and this thing. I don't know how you call this one. And this one comes with the bushing in that hole, as compared to this one, which doesn't have a bushing. And I'll show you the this one is the old one. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but look at the wear. Again, my car has 210,000 kilometers already, more than. So the reason why I cut this rod, the actuator rod, is I also made some revision on that rod. Look at this one. This is the remaining piece of that actuator rod, and then I put thread on it. It's a M6 by 1.0 millimeter. So there is a spring lock washer and a nut, 10 millimeter nut. So what I did, I bought this one, which is this, the Joe & Joe bottle screw, 4 millimeter stainless steel. So this, I won't be using this one. I just need this and the other piece like this. I cut it because I won't be needing this, and then I inserted it through this thing that I also purchased online, which is this Turbo Smart TS0600-3003. So I saw this one on YouTube also, that's why kudos to that mechanic. So I'm just copying what he has done to his turbo. So another revision I made was I have to cut this end piece to a shorter one, because this Joe & Joe bottle screw that I bought is too long. So if I didn't cut this one, there won't be enough room for this to okay, so it's just like this. So okay, one second, I just need to insert it to show you guys. the beauty of this is the other side is a reverse thread. Oh, it's been 5 minutes already, but okay. So this is how I made my repair. So, and this is a reverse thread. Okay, so for example, I've already installed the new flapper kit, so I can just loosely install this one like that, and then you need to put a circlip at the bottom. Okay, see, it's moving very loose, but this one you just need to do it counterclockwise, and what's happening is it's giving a tension to this rod and actuator flapper kit. See, it's gonna need a okay. Okay, need to loosen this nut first, move it away, and then keep on turning this one counterclockwise. See, there's no more play. It's tight already, and there's still room for adjustment here. So if you can turn this one a little bit more to really give a, you know, a preload, something like that, and then you have to tighten this one. Okay, and I'm just starting it by hand at the moment. See, and once you put the circlip there, there's no more play anymore. Really tight. So this is not the final one, so that's how I'm gonna be doing for this fix, because I still need to remove this, grind this well, and I'm gonna install this one. Well, actually this is the hardest part of the build, removing that old bushing from this turbo and then installing this back. So again, this is not an easy job, but once you've successfully finished this one, you're gonna save a lot, because OEM turbo for this Volkswagen Tiguan will cost you nearly 5,000. Okay, so I'll be back once my repair is complete.